Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. How to move your XRP to a hard wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, keeping your assets secure is more important than ever. XRP, the digital asset from Ripple, is popular for fast transactions, but storing it on exchanges can be risky due to hacks and volatility. A hard wallet, like a Ledger or Trezor device, offers top-notch security by keeping your keys offline. Let's dive into the steps to make this transfer smooth and safe. First things first, ensure you have a hard wallet. If you don't, head to a reputable site like Ledger's official store and set one up. It's straightforward. Download the necessary software, connect your device, and create a new wallet. Remember, always buy from trusted sources to avoid fakes. Next, generate your XRP receiving address on the hard wallet. Open your wallet app, select XRP, and it will display a unique address, something that looks like a long string of letters and numbers. Double-check this address because accuracy is key to avoid losing your funds. Now, log into your exchange or current wallet where your XRP is held. Go to the withdrawal section, select XRP as the asset, and paste in the address from your hard wallet. You'll need to enter the amount you want to transfer and any required network fees. In 2025, XRP transactions are still super fast, often under a few seconds, but fees might vary based on network congestion. Before you hit confirm, verify everything. Check the address twice, review the amount, and enable two-factor authentication if available. Once submitted, the transaction should process quickly. Head back to your hard wallet to confirm the XRP has arrived. Finally, a quick word on security. Never share your private keys, use strong passwords, and keep your device updated. If you're new to this, always test with a small amount first. That's it for today's guide. By moving your XRP to a hard wallet, you're taking a smart step toward protecting your investments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.